Alright guys, this is Jungle Boy family. We're going to be opening this toy is called Spiral Tower Tracks. You know? With dart. So let's see. So we got that
with
today.
What?
This is with dart.
This isn't mine.
Oh, dart. The tune.
Yeah.
It's part of the Taken play.
So this is how those things look like. The picture. How it's gonna look. We're going to set it up. We're going to set it up. Okay.
Let's see that one, Addie. It's the, what did you call it?
The owl one.
The owl one. Boo, boo, choo choo. Don't be afraid of it.
No singing!
It's easily explained. Listening.
No singing!
In the night. Boo!
No.
What's in there?
No.
Wow! You knocked the train out. What's that?
Casey.
Percy.
Yeah.
Anything else in there? Let me see, Addie.
Thank you.
So every single thing has tracks. Has a train. It has instructions right here. Nice.
Wait, who's that?
It's
Tell Mama who's that?
Who is that? Thomas.
It's from the Diesel Works.
Ooh, dart thing.
You need scissors for this. You
Need more scissors?
for this.
You didn't bring the scissors?
But you don't need scissors, baby.
Let me see, Addie. Oh, it's just a rubber band. Here, let's see. Oh my goodness. Addie, let me see, please. Thank you.
Here.
Here, Addie. What train did you get? Oh, who's that?
I don't know.
Let me see. Turn him sideways. Oh, he's a fancy choo-choo. Who'd
It's
you
Hero.
get?
It's Hero.
You think so?
I had it.
Could be.
I know.
Dexter got Spencer, looks like.
It is Spencer. Yeah. I can't figure out this, Mommy. Daddy.
Oh, nice.
Mama, Dad.
What's up?
So it's easier.
Whoa.
I can't open this.
Oh. You want us to go drive?
No, I can go get him.
Mama,
Here.
I can't open it. Oh, well, I can't open
Let's put it right here.
It
So
goes
you-
on top. Dexter. You see it goes on top?
Yeah, this is mine.
Uh-oh. Did I do it wrongly?
No, I think you're fine. It should click.
What's up with you and the clicking, man? Just put it together. Dexter, wait, baby.
This is actually.
Did he just toot it again?
Okay, let's put it here.
Dun da da
This
da.
is the final product.
Ow!
Okay, let's see if it works.
See, it works. No, on top.
From
on
the top.
So, are you?
Yep.
Let's go. Let's go there.
Here it goes.
Nice, guys. Nice.
That's
Again. Ow. I love my Diesel. Ready?
Wow, Kim, nice.
Yes.
Okay, put in more, guys. Let's try more. Nice.
Ah!
Good job, guys. Oh, got it stuck in there.
Get stuck where? Where? First stuck.
Oh, nice.
Not too Percy. That's just a Percy.
Do you guys like it?
No. Wait.
Dexter, do you like it?
Wait.
Nice. Oh, got it stuck, guys. Right there.
Gosh.
Nice. Oh no!
Oh no! Mom, don't cheat this
Nice, guys.
Ow.
Nice. You put all the trains in it? You like it? Oh, no. Nice, Addy. Dexter, do you like it? It's a nice toy, huh?
I like it. This is Hero. I know this face anywhere.
Nice. Who is it? Hero?
Uh-huh.
Oh, nice. Let me see it. Hero.
He's Golden Hero.
He's a golden hero. Nice. He's a golden hero.
Yeah, my golden. I mean, Golden Hero. Ow. Wait. Hey, it's my turn. Hey. Okay. Go. Oh. Okay, and now it's
Nice. Oh, got it stuck.
Ow! How come you're pulling my coat away?